So I'm going to review this floating shelf that I received in the mail. I received this for free in exchange for a review. It has some simple instructions for installation. Then of course you have the shelves. You have 6 of these brackets, and then you have the installation hardware, including a screwdriver. One thing that makes the installation different from a lot of shelves is that it has this groove design and the brackets will fit right into that. So let's put it on the wall and see how it goes. So I'm going to install 2 of them right here above the mini fridge next to the coffee machine, and it'll be a great spot for some mugs. So to install them on the wall, first thing of course is just to decide where you want them. For me, I kind of held up a shelf and then from there determine where one of the brackets would go. Of course you want everything level, so make sure you have a level handy. First, you're going to put the wall fasteners in, and then screw the brackets into the wall fastener. After you do that, make sure the shelf is level and put in the other bracket. And this is the cool part. Because of this groove design, you actually have a couple options where you put the shelf. You can put the shelf here or on top. I like it right here. And this is the finished product. Put some of my favorite mugs on there. We might change these up from time to time. I think it turned out good. And the groove underneath the shelves really gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of where you want to place that shelf. I think it's a really nice design. I think these are cute little shelves and they fit in just perfectly in our home. Plus, I still have one more that I'll probably put in a kid's bedroom, but I like them.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.